Hi, my name is Angela Shimonov, and this is
Zoya Shamulov.
And today we are going to introduce you to our our websites. This is angelashimonov.com, my domain, and this is Zoya Shamulov's domain, right there. And if you press on enter, you will enter into our professional websites, Google websites, which has a list of pages for children to use for learning. We have math lessons here available for children, science lessons, and fun pages for them to enter and enjoy. But today we're focusing on an interactive learning response document that will focus on a math lesson on the Pythagorean theorem.
Today's lesson title is the Pythagorean Theorem Part 2. Part 1 we focused on the algorithm a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a squared and b squared are the two legs of a right triangle, and c squared, or c, is the hypotenuse, the longest side of a triangle. Our objectives for today's lesson is to learn and explain what the Pythagorean theorem is, and to solve for the missing variable, or the missing side in this case. The Common Core Learning Standards are 6G, where we solve real-world mathematical problems involving area, surface area, and volume. Some vocabulary words that were introduced was to see who Pythagoras was, hypotenuse, acute angle, degree, and right angle. The assessments that we will provide our students, or we will try to assess our students with, is the ILRD, which is the Interactive Learning Response Document, which will have the students learn while being engaged with different and various websites, and by them being to interact with this document and placing the answers in the yellow box, and it can be emailed to the teacher and it can be shared with all the other students. Some other assessments would be class worksheet and extensions like real world, like a hands-on application that we're going to demonstrate to you right now. As we've discussed earlier, that the Pythagorean theorem states that one leg, which is A, the area of one leg of a triangle plus the area of the second leg of a triangle will equal the area of the third leg, or the hypotenuse of the triangle. So in this triangle we have three tiles. Let's say this is three tiles long. So the length of this leg is 3 tiles long. The area of this leg is 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, which equals to 9 tiles. The area of this leg, which is 4 tiles long, the area of which would be 4 times 4, which would be 16 tiles. 4 times 4 is 16. So, knowing this, what would be the area of the longest side, or the hypotenuse, would be 5, because 16 plus 9 equals 25. So if we would count these tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we would add them all up, it would equal to 25 tiles. The square root of 25 is 5, making the hypotenuse, the length of the hypotenuse, 5 tiles, as my colleague is demonstrating to you.
So 9 plus 16 is 25. So we would do the square root of 25. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So that would be a classic 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
A little better.
Perfect.
Perfect.
No?
We'll work on it.
What do you think?
Thank you.
Yeah? Okay.
No standing ovations. Come on.
I just standing when I gave you that.